What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a little update on the Scion TC. I pretty much gave it a nice little wash. For what it is, it's as best as it's gonna get. The body's not in the best condition. I'm gonna do a little walk around to show you guys. So as you guys know, I've been working on this car for quite a while. It's been my daily driver, so my goal is just to get it as clean as possible and presentable. Nothing too crazy, like I said. At the end of the day, it's just a Scion, but I want to get it, you know, as best as I can. As you can see, it has some body damage, so I'm not sure if I'm going to fix that just yet, but I am thinking of replacing the rear bumper, because I feel like that would make a big difference on it by just replacing the rear bumper. You can tell it's pretty scuffed up here. And then the driver's side door has this little paint defect right there. So I think they just put spray paint without the clear, so it's not going to be shiny, obviously. And then the fender as well. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but on the fender and the front hood, there's a lot of paint chips. It's like some rust in there too, like some surface rust. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go with it as far as like filling those in, because it's all over the hood. I do want to do a paint correction, so I'll probably start that on the hood, the bumper, the fenders, the doors, and go from there, see how it looks after I do that to it. You can tell this fender here has some body damage. The dent right there. The front bumper would probably be a good idea to replace it as well. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much as good as it gets in its current state after I washed it. The wheels are horrible to clean. These are OEM, came with the release series, but all these spokes, it makes it hard to clean them. As you can tell, I spent quite a bit of time and they still look pretty bad. And the reason why they still look dirty is not that there's dirt in there, but I think they just spray painted over the dirt previously, and the dirt is stuck under there. So yeah, it's not the best job, but I'm still debating on refinishing these wheels. If I were to refinish them, it would be like a gloss color, or just go with the whole nother wheel in general, depending on, like I said, I think I mentioned this in the past, how much you get quoted to refinish. If it's about the same price, I might as well just get a whole new set of wheels and just throw these tires on it, because these tires are pretty much brand new. But besides the bumpers, if I were to replace the bumpers, I think that would make the car 10 times better. Obviously paint them, you know, color matched black. And then I was thinking of doing a carbon fiber hood, but scoping out on Marketplace, see if anything pops up. And if anything comes up, I might pull the trigger. If not, maybe even get it repainted. I did buy a TRD badge for the grill. I did this on my Tacoma, one of my first gen Tacomas that I had, and it looked pretty nice. I'm not sure if this one's gonna fit on the existing holes on the grill, so worst case I might have to drill it in, but fingers crossed it will fit with the existing ones. So pretty much it would go here somewhere. I'm not quite sure if I should do it on the right side or the left side, but leaning more towards the right side. But we'll see. I'm gonna head to the garage right now and see if I can get this installed. Interior, you can see the steering wheel is not in the best condition. Another thing that I want to get done to it here shortly is the windshield tint. Out of all the cars I've had, this one is pretty uncomfortable driving without the tint. When you're driving against the sun, you feel it beaming in the car. So I'm going to definitely tint the windshield. I'm just not sure what percentage. Ideally, in the past, I've gone with 35%, which is most likely what I'll do. I just don't want it to be too dark. It being a smaller car, compact in here, depending on what shade you go, it can pretty much black it out. So I'll see, hopefully that coming soon. All right, you guys, so it is a few days after, actually about a week later. I wasn't able to install the badge that same day because it was broken, so I had to reach out and get a replacement, but I finally got it today and went ahead and installed it. The TRD badge, it is not an OEM part but it does look pretty clean in my opinion. Adds a little touch, plus this release series, so I feel like it's appropriate. It was very easy to install. You can probably see it through the grill. It's just 2 screws. You bolt onto the letters in the back and then obviously put the nut in the back, and there you go. It just snugs up, which I was surprised. I thought I was gonna have to drill, but I didn't have to drill at all. Just lined up perfectly, just tying the bolts, and there you go. It's on there pretty sturdy. It's been a week ago that I washed the car and it's already dirty again. I need to do some like paint correction and protection, that way the dirt doesn't stick on it as easily. This one came original from the dealer. It's a release series, and that other one's from the dealership, which I'll probably pull out. I want to take the heat gun to it and remove it. And then this door is bothering me with the paint work, as you guys know if you've been following the build so far. Next up is probably going to be most likely the paint correction. I'm going to get everything as good as I can, and then the stuff that is not repairable or doesn't look as good as I expect it, most likely replace. Like the fender here, most likely get it replaced, or I'm gonna get some quotes on that and see if they can repaint it. But I was interested in like some carbon fiber fenders, hood. If something comes up, I'll probably go with that. If it's way too expensive, I'll probably just go ahead and get them repainted. Depends on the pricing, obviously. Like I said, this is my daily driver, so I don't really want to put too much money into it because it's going to get banged up regardless. You can see there's a bunch of like little door dings here that wasn't there not that long ago, and now it has them, so there's no point in me investing too much money into it, because at the end of the day it's going to get door dinged and all that, and there's no need. That's why it's a daily driver. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next videos. Most likely it's going to be the paint correction, like I said. And drop your comments down below if you guys want to see anything else, and I'll do my best. Also, there's going to be more content coming up on my STI and the Tacoma as well. I had that one out this weekend, so I'm going to have some content on that here shortly. So drop any suggestions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.